had a burp request to burp Detroit Diesel 6B92TA. So, I'm going to do that. Just a second.
Detroit.
Pardon me.
Diesel 6B92.